The Meta Quest 2 gets a price increase. You have to imagine this, guys. So welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the stock market. And today we talk about the VR headset, head-mounted display. They also call them the Meta Quest 2, and it gets a price increase of $100. So first, my friends, I'm going to read through Meta Quest 2 price increase press release, and then I'm going to give you my opinion about this. So if you're not interested in me reading this, then I can only tell you, yeah, you got all the information you want in this video. But if you're also interested in my opinion, then just stay tuned and we go through it. So Meta Quest 2 pricing changes, Beat Saber included for a limited time. So the price goes up $100. The price goes up $100, but for those $100 you get Beat Saber also included, but you only get this for a limited time included. Oh my god, Facebook. So I'm a Facebook shareholder, so a little disclaimer, but I have to say that's a bad move. So that's really a bad move. It's a successful product. So, and why are they raising the price? We have inflation, everything gets more expensive. So normally, in order to normally actually products like this should get cheaper, but obviously there's a lot of demand. So we have been all in on VR since the early days of PC and mobile, all the way through to today's premium standalone 6DOF headsets, and we have invested billions of dollars to help nurture a thriving VR ecosystem. Now we are making a change that will help us continue to invest for the long term and keep driving the VR industry forward with best-in-class hardware. Really, this you have to digest this, guys. You really have to digest this. So continue to invest. So, okay, getting more money in. They invested a lot, absolutely. Meta spent so much money on the VR headsets, but they really need those $100 more now. They really need those $100 more now. So maybe people will not buy then the hardware, and then we have less hardwares out there. So that's also possible. Yeah, best-in-class hardware, action-packed games, cutting-edge research on the path to truly next-gen devices. So starting in August, Meta Quest 2 will cost $399.99 US dollars and $499.99 US dollars for the 128 gigabytes and the 256 gigabyte versions respectively. Let's see how much this will be in Europe in euro. So probably then the double price. Just kidding. Now it's going to be, of course, a little bit more because it's always the taxes issue, the VAT issue with the taxes. And for a limited time, every new headset purchase will include an offer to download the popular VR rhythm game Beat Saber. I absolutely recommend this title at no additional cost. Oh, thank you. That's so generous. Alongside these changes, we will also increase the prices for Meta Quest 2 accessories and refurbished units. So, what was the reason? Was it actually that they were selling the Meta Quest on the profit margin? Under profit margin? Was this the reason? Probably. VR's momentum is undeniable. From gaming and productivity to fitness and beyond, VR has become increasingly popular as it positively impacts the way we work, play, connect with each other. People have spent over $1 billion on Meta Quest apps, that's a lot, helping to fuel developers' businesses as they deliver the games and experiences that make VR great. Great. At the same time, the cost to make and ship our products have been on the rise. Oh, here, now we get the reason. So, by adjusting the price of Quest 2, so why this marketing paragraph? So, by adjusting the price of Quest 2, we can continue to grow our investments in groundbreaking research and new product development that pushes the VR industry to new heights. So, does Meta have financial problems? So, as a shareholder of Meta, I'm actually concerned now. We have an ambitious VR hardware roadmap, and I'm looking forward to it, really I do. Beginning with the launch of our high-end headset Project Cambria, I'm really looking forward to this one later this year, and we plan to ship new generations of Meta Quest after that. At Reality Labs Research, we have teams dedicated to advancing the state of the art in VR displays, audio, incredible lifelike avatars, haptics, wrist-based interfaces, and more. And on the content front, we have a robust lineup of exciting titles coming to Meta Quest, including Ghostbusters. We are, among Stars VR, The Walking Dead Saints and Sinners, Chapter 2 Retribution, Bone Lab, NFL Pro Era, etc. So even with these pricing changes, Meta Quest 2 continues to be the most affordable VR headset with a comparable feature set on the market, and this is also true of course, and each headset keeps getting better after you buy, from hand tracking improvements and Airlink to Meta Horizon Home. Okay, yeah, I expect this, then they improve the software side. We are constantly adding new features to make VR more social, intuitive and immersive than ever before. We will continue shipping exciting new software updates to improve our products on a regular basis. Now's the right time for us to double down on the price, on our efforts to push the state of the art forward. We will continue working alongside the developers, early adopters and die-hard fans who play and build for VR every day, and we can't wait to keep sharing the work we are doing at Reality Labs on the road to the metaverse. Keep an eye on Tech at Meta and this blog for all the latest. People who purchase a new Meta Quest 2 from August through December 31st and activate the device before January 31st using an account that does not already have Beat Saber enabled will be able to download Beat Saber at no additional cost following 14 days following activation. So I checked actually on the Meta Quest or on the Oculus.com page, and it's sold out. So the Meta Quest 2 is sold out for the old price because it's now 26th of July, and the new price will be from the 1st of August. So the old price, it's sold out. So obviously my friends, the people were really quick in purchasing it. But in Europe you can still purchase it. So in Europe you can still purchase it. I can show it here to you, the Meta Quest. So in Europe you still get it for a price of 349. That's again 50 euros more than the US price, and then the 256 gigabyte for 449. So if we check here now again on the release date, so Quest 2 was first released in two SQAs differentiated by storage capacity. So it was first with a 64 gigabyte model priced at 299 and the 256 gigabyte model. I remember this. So it was for me always clear I would never go for the 64 gigabyte model. I haven't purchased the Meta Quest yet, I have to admit. And then came out both are $100 increase over their equivalent on the first generation model, and then in 21 the 64 gigabyte model has been replaced by the 128 gigabyte model at the same price point. So it was getting cheaper, let's admit it, it was getting cheaper. So November 20 then 21, as part of the rebranding, Meta Quest was rebranded, Meta Aired Commercial. In July it was announced, and this is the announcement today, we'll receive a $100 price increase for both current storage types of the headset. Guys, that's it guys. That's it, 399, 499. It makes a difference. It makes a difference. And let's come back. So let's come back my opinion. Alright, so what is the reason? The reason is it's selling good, and they think they can actually sell it for a higher price because also of course making the Meta Quest became more expensive, and the inflation is also affecting this. You have to pay your workers more, you have to pay probably more for some parts of it, but on the other hand we don't have this chip shortage anymore, so you can get a lot of GPUs now much cheaper, and you can find all the great 3000 series of the NVIDIA graphics card much cheaper. So that's not then really the reason. So then it's the overall inflation. But on the other hand, what we try to achieve now is that people, well, what we try to achieve is getting inflation down. The price here goes up. Then on the other hand, we see that less people can afford a product like this. Of course, a Meta Quest 2 is a starter headset, so but it's also a luxury product. So a lot of people might not be able to buy a Meta Quest 2 with this price increase, and they're not going to buy it, so they get then punished by this. but yeah, then that means we're coming in a recession, some people say. This means in general they will sell less, but they will sell with a higher profit margin, or probably the profit margin was even getting lower, and now they try to adjust this. All of those are ideas I have. So, but in the end, guys, I mean, we cannot change it. The inflation is killing us everywhere in the world. All of us, we really suffer. Everything gets so much more expensive, and the inflation has to go down. And I personally think that we come to a point where prices, after the price were increasing a lot, that then a lot of those products will not sell so good, and maybe even a Meta Quest 2 will stop selling at one point, because people are not able to purchase this product, and then also the prices will drop again. And most probably we also see much better Meta Quest or better deals than on eBay, etc. Guys, but I can only say, don't buy any head-mounted display on eBay. So you never know what's done wrong with it. So I bought mine, my Wealth Index on eBay, and I had a pixel issue, and I cannot give it back. So with this, I would say, guys, I'm leaving it here. So this is gaming industry and finance. So check out my other videos if you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye bye.